Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi friends, so this question says that uh, a high temperature reservoir is at 620 Kelvin. So temperature of high reservoir TH is equal to 620 Kelvin. Similarly, the temperature at low reservoir is to be determined. It takes in 550 joule of heat. So it takes in from the hot reservoir how much heat? It is 550 joules of heat each cycle and gives up. So it gives up heat QC in the cold reservoir. How much? It's 335 joules, right? So first question number A asks us how much mechanical work does the engine perform? So how much work it performs? It eats 550 joules of heat and throws out 335. So how much work does it do? So work done, W is equal to heat taken minus heat given away, which is equal to, just subtract these two, you get 215 joules. So this much of mechanical work is done by the engine in each cycle. Now find out the temperature of the low temperature reservoir. So these engines follow this proportion of heat and temperature. So QH by QC is always equal to temperature at hot reservoir by temperature at cold reservoir. So this gives us Tc is equal to, you substitute back the value of QH, QC and TH, you get Tc is equal to 377.63 Kelvin. Alright. So question number C says thermal efficiency of the cycle. Okay, the thermal efficiency you can find it in various methods. You can just use efficiency E is equal to 1 minus Tc by Th 1 minus 377.63 by 620. So this will give you efficiency to be 0.39. So it's 39%. So the engine is 39% efficient. So you can verify one thing here, like the mechanical work done W should be equal to efficiency times the heat supplied. You want to verify? So let's do it. 0.39 into 550. So this will give you 215 joules. This is verification. So this was just an easy problem to do. This ends the solution for this. Thank you for watching.